Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. We're getting ready to ring in the new year, and of course we need something that is simple but delicious for the whole family, right, Leah?
Yeah, you hit the nail on the head.
Yeah.
It's simple right here because I used a cake mix as the base instead of making the cookie dough first.
Oh, I love it. What is this called?
Well, we're gonna name it. By the end of this segment, we're gonna name it because I haven't named it.
I love it.
This
I
is
love
the
it.
first time I've made
Okay.
this, but it's a s'mores bar. They're
Okay.
s'mores bars.
Okay, so tell everybody how you made it.
I did some research because I use cake mix a lot, and I was like, can I use cake mix in
Absolutely,
s'mores bars?
absolutely.
Yeah, you can use it in pretty much anything. You just have to add that, then butter, eggs. I always use olive oil. Like I use olive oil in my cakes, and I use non-hydrogenated butter
Yep.
because it's healthier. Of course, the graham crackers that you have to
I
crush
love
up.
how you crush those up.
Yeah, you just crush them
I'm
up.
never gonna crush them
I
up the
love
same.
to bake. You love to bake?
I do. I do.
I love it mostly because it gets you in the kitchen, and you tell the
It's
kids
the
we're
holiday
busy.
spirit.
Like, leave
I'm
me
gonna
alone.
try this.
Right?
I'm gonna try this.
Try it.
So you mixed it all up. You
Mixed
bake
it
it
all
for
up.
how long?
Well, I do 350. It says 25, 30 minutes, but there were other things in the oven, so I just kind of watched it,
Just
and it
watch
took
it.
a little bit longer, so it might be a little crispy where it shouldn't be crispy. I don't know.
I was skeptical when you used plant-based butter. Leah, this is delicious.
What are we gonna name it?
Well, she did the marshmallows in a Channel 7
Let's do that.
symbol, so I don't know, 7 s'mores? S'mores
Ooh.
for 7?
You did it.
Yeah?
Very good.
We did it? You gotta
All
try
right.
some.
I do.
You gotta try some.
right,
This
I'll
is
try
delicious.
some.
You really need
I
to try
love
this with
s'mores.
your family. Head over to wkbw.com/7life to get this recipe and so many more. We hope you have a happy and safe new year. Isn't this good? This is delicious.
It actually is really good.
This is delicious. Recipes for 7 Life would like to thank Close Mentor.